In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the calendar view in Jira Work Management. To get started, open your Jira Work Management project and select the project you want to manage. This is important because the calendar will show tasks specifically from the project you're currently viewing. Once you're inside the right project, you'll be ready to use the calendar as a planning tool to see deadlines, track work, and organize upcoming tasks more clearly. Next, look at the project sidebar and click Calendar. As soon as the calendar view opens, your tasks will appear based on their due dates. This gives you a visual way to understand when work is scheduled, instead of only viewing everything in a list. It can be especially helpful when you're trying to spot upcoming deadlines or see how work is spread out across days and weeks. Now take a moment to review the scheduled tasks shown on the calendar. As you look through the items, pay attention to the most important details, including the task name, due date, assignee, and status. These details help you quickly understand what each task is, who is responsible for it, and whether it's still in progress, not started, or already completed. This makes the calendar more than just a date view. It becomes a quick snapshot of project activity. If you want to create a new task directly from the calendar, click on the date where the work should be scheduled. Then choose Create Issue or Create Item, depending on what your setup shows. Enter the task details, add the due date, and save the task. Creating items this way can make planning feel more natural, since you're adding work directly onto the timeline where it belongs. You can also open and edit existing tasks right from the calendar. Just click any task to open it, then update information like the description, assignee, priority, or due date. After making your changes, save them. This is useful when plans shift and you need to keep task details accurate without leaving the calendar view. If a deadline changes, you may be able to reschedule a task by dragging and dropping it onto a different date. When this option is available, the due date updates automatically. This is one of the fastest ways to adjust project schedules and keep your plan current. To narrow down what you see, use the filter options in the calendar view. You can filter tasks by assignee, status, issue type, and other project fields. Filtering is helpful when you want to focus on one person's workload or check the progress of a specific type of work. Finally, use the calendar to plan team workloads. Review upcoming deadlines, identify busy periods, and adjust task assignments or timelines when needed. This helps your team stay balanced, avoid overload, and keep the project moving smoothly.